are ranking travel coffees. We all know that we need that caffeine on the go, so which of these will be our favorite? And it's a blind challenge. Will we really rank Starbucks as number one? Stay tuned and find out.
Will they take our Starbucks gold card away?
Will they ban us from the store forever if we can't figure out which one is Starbucks? Quite honestly, I was a little surprised that they allowed us in the store to buy the Dunkin' coffee and that our GPS even took us there, because I'm shocked it didn't just reroute us to Starbucks thinking that's what we really wanted. Is Mike going to actually rank Dunkin' number one on a blind taste test? Stay tuned to find out.
Maybe they'll throw us out of Dunkin'.
Before I dive in, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. I'm excited for this challenge, but I'm a little nervous because there's a lot on the line here.
Mm-hmm.
So the way I'm doing mine, black, which is not how I drink my coffee, but I wanted the best opportunity to be able to smell the aroma, be able to taste it, and then add the cream in. I didn't want the cream affecting the smell, the aroma, or the flavor. So I'm gonna start with this one. I feel like I'm gonna get not only a huge energy buzz just from sniffing all this coffee, but also like a little overwhelmed with it. This one has a pretty strong smell, and it's not necessarily a very pleasant smell. I think I might sniff them all first.
A few moments later.
I guess we're going back in for the taste.
The taste? All right.
Okay. I mean, as far as black coffee goes, it's not super bitter. I mean, it's got the coffee tang on the back, but it's not super bitter. If I had to in a pinch, I could probably drink it straight black, which is a little odd for me.
Okay.
But I don't know. So for now, one's going to be here.
Okay.
That one is, you have to bleep that. No, that's... Right now, this is high contention to possibly be Dunkin'.
What's it taste like?
Sour. Not bitter. It just tastes sour. I don't even know that I want to put cream in it.
Okay.
I'm guessing right now, I think that that's probably Dunkin'. Okay. That's not bad. It's not bad. I'm gonna put it number 2 for right now. I'm guessing that's one of these. I don't think it's Starbucks, but I'm not as familiar with these. I don't know that it's McDonald's. It may be, but I've never drank a McDonald's black. This is tough because it's got a strong taste, which I don't prefer. It's not necessarily a bad taste, but I'm wondering, it's so strong it almost tastes like Starbucks, but so it's not my favorite, but all right, so right now, this ranking also may change once I put cream in it. Right now, I'm going to put it here-ish, but I think that might be Starbucks. It's not horrible, but it's got a weird twang at the back. I'm going to put it here for now. It's good. These are gonna make it tough.
Mhm.
Because my guess is this is Starbucks. After tasting all of them, I think that's Starbucks. It's the strongest of them. All right, so I'm going to add the cream to them because I'm drinking them all so much now. You might have to add more coffee to them just so I can taste them with the cream. But I'm adding the amount of cream that I would add. It's not based off of an amount because that's not how I do it. Yeah, I'd be surprised if this is not Starbucks.
Okay.
I mean, and now that the cream is added to it, I'll check this in a second. That one's not bad, but it's pretty weak. I'm not sure, but I think it's... Look at me. I'm actually shaking. I'm nervous about this. It feels like there's a lot riding on the line. I really hope I'm not wrong about that one. If I am, I'm never going to live it down. I mean, if it's one of the ones I haven't tried, then that's fair too. But all right, I'll try them one more time. I think I'm almost done. I'm honing in.
A few moments later.
I think I'm done. Okay.
Final answer?
I'm scared. Final answer.
You say B is Dunkin.
Yes.
Ding, 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 ding.
Yay! I got that one.
100%. B is Dunkin.
Yep. Oh, and it, by the way, I don't know if you caught this in the video, but I was gagging.
I caught it.
Yep.
All right.
Okay. Yay! I feel justified.
So E.
The rest don't really matter so much, except for this one, kind of.
So E, which is your fifth choice.
Yeah.
The fifth. So E.
It's tough. Okay. But what is it?
It is pilot.
Oh, wow. Wow.
F that you have right there is that F? Yep. You said it was.
Loves.
So it was Love's. It was actually McDonald's.
Oh, okay. Well.
So
Okay, but I did say the ones in the middle I wasn't sure about. But it is funny that I put Pilot and McDonald's at the bottom.
So your third choice, your number 3, or choice C, and that's actually that's Love's.
Okay.
All right. So choice Delta.
Oh, that worries me a bit.
And you're calling it Starbucks.
I did. No.
Ding, 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 ding.
Oh.
It is, in fact, Starbucks.
I was gonna say I thought I recognized the 2 distinct flavors, and the rest are kind of. And so this I actually labeled first.
Yep.
Wow.
Indeed.
Interesting. All right. So now knowing, I'm gonna taste them again. Yeah. I mean that's a decent cup of coffee. Yay! 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 Well, okay. So maybe some in the middle were a little bit skewed. I'm happy with this result.
I'm very nervous. Uh-oh, I'm on the spot.
You are on the spot.
I'm going to start with Alpha. A, it doesn't smell offensive. It doesn't really have a good smell though either. It doesn't even doesn't smell like coffee.
That's the thing. Since they're not full cups, I wonder if that also made a big difference.
They're kind of a weird tanginess to it. Like I'm gonna guess it's gonna be around here. It's gonna be around 3, but for right now, it's
It's the only one.
It's the only one. That would be Love's would be my guess right now.
Okay.
No, it doesn't really smell. So. I'm gonna go with that for now.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna guess probably. I don't have much McDonald's coffee because I don't actually kind of enjoy the taste of it that much. So we're gonna say that's McDonald's.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna hold my comment for a second.
Hold your comments.
I mean, I know what it smells like now. It tastes like water. It smells like sweat.
A rave review?
I mean, I don't know. Just based on the smell, I'm going to say it's 3. I'm going to say TA, I guess, for now.
Yeah.
Okay?
I understand.
Echo. That smells like old cardboard. Yeah. Okay. That's Everlat. No, I'm going to put that there. I really hope it's not Starbucks, but for now, I'm going to say it's Dunkin.
Don't look at me. I'm not giving you any answers.
Alright, so here's Delta.
Wait. Okay. I was confused. That was out of order.
I don't know. I don't hate it. I'm going to say that's there for now. I'm going to say that might be Pilot. No. He's giving me no hints.
Mm-mm.
It's kind of bitter and I don't know. He doesn't really have a pleasant taste at all. Oh my gosh. They're going to take away my gold card. I know they're going to take away my gold cards. Okay. Yeah. No. Actually, I think this is Starbucks. To be honest. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to go with that. Strange, because I didn't pick that up at first, and it smelled bad. I don't know why it smelled bad. Maybe the cup had some lingering. I would drink it. It's not exceptionally dark. It's not exceptionally bad. I would drink it. It tastes kind of like watered down, a little watered down coffee. I'm gonna go with its Pilot.
Okay.
That with the bitter twang, that is actually McDonald's. All right.
You're certain. This is what you want.
Yes. Oh my God. They're gonna take away my gold card.
All right, so we'll start with the one you ranked last.
The one I ranked last. I ranked.
You ranked E last.
E last.
As Dunkin.
Yep.
That's Loves.
Okay.
So you want to move?
Loves.
Yep. So you want to move it back?
All right. So that's not Dunkin.
Are you nervous now?
Yes, I'm very nervous. Apparently, I'll never go to Loves.
Well, we've never had Loves, but it does mean you didn't rank Dunkin' last.
Yeah, no, that's good. That's
So
terrible.
A, you ranked second to last.
Yep.
You thought that was McDonald's. That's actually Pilot.
It's actually Pilot.
So
Wow.
I'm kind of wondering if we got like a bad Pilot coffee because we both ranked it lower.
Well,
I like Pilot.
it tastes. It's one of the ones I said tasted kind of like water. So.
Yeah. C is the one you ranked next. It's actually McDonald's.
Middle of the pack, guy.
Middle of the pack. That's the one you said tasted like water
Okay.
multiple times. I'm pretty sure. I thought.
Yeah. All the ones in the middle kind of taste like water.
Yeah. Okay. So.
I hope really. I don't know. I really hope Dunkin' isn't F.
So B,
Yeah.
you ranked third. That's you said you thought it was Pilot. It's actually TA.
Okay.
You can turn it a little more.
Okay.
So let's just recap here. Let's move all these down just a little bit so we can see the two that we have left.
No.
Yeah. Let's move these down just a little bit so we can see the two that we have left.
Yeah.
And it's down to
Dunkin' or Starbucks.
Dunkin' or Starbucks.
I'm not gonna drink Dunkin' regardless of what choices I make here. I'm sorry. If Dunkin' managed to make a good cup of coffee,
It was a one-off?
it was a one-off. Go to the Dunkin' in Destin, Florida, because they are the only Dunkin' that has good coffee, apparently.
Okay, so your drum roll, please. D, which you put in second,
Yep.
is Dunkin'. I don't think I've ever seen you turn this red.
It's still, what I said is true. Destin's Dunkin', the only good one in the entire freaking country.
So I'm pretty sure with ranking Starbucks as number one, you can still keep your gold card, but just barely. You at one point put the D all the way at the, or no, sorry, you put the F all the way at the end and said it was Dunkin'. I was like, oh my gracious.
we're
We're gonna be cast out of Starbucks forever.
Well, I think it's the cups. I don't know.
The cups definitely, I think, the styrofoam. We did it for you guys. So like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe. Tell us what your rankings are. Put those down in the comments. Tell us what we got wrong.
Tell us what your favorite coffee is and if you think we missed one. Although not according to my ranking.
It smells like sweat.